Alright guys, check this out. This is Wong Wings mini spring chicken spring rolls. These were at Costco. And check this out. Well, that's instructions. Where's the nutrient panel? Here we go. Nutrient panel. Ingredients. Alright, so we're gonna cook them up and we'll see how well they taste. Alright guys, so here is the mini spring roll. It's actually not as it's actually soft, and there's the filling. So the wrapper is actually pretty good. It's not like overly doughy or anything like that. There's quite a bit of filling in there, so you know, usually some of these things always have like very little filling, but yeah, the filling's actually quite good, and there is like chicken in there. Taste wise, it's like a spring roll, so yeah, definitely check it out guys. Any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.